Inden den her video starter, vil jeg gerne lige hurtigt sige, at den her video, det er min første reaktionsvideo, så det er ikke nogen, det er ikke min egen video, jeg reagerer på. Det er nogle andres video, der er linket i beskrivelsen, det synes jeg bare er vigtigt at sige. Og så den video, det er heller ikke en børnefilm, selvom det ligner sådan en børnetegnfilm. Det er det overhovedet ikke, hvis I ikke kan se det på thumbnailen. Lad os hoppe ind i videoen. Her. Hej alle sammen, velkommen til en video. For hvis man skal reagere på Toonturf. Altså, lad mig klikke ud lige nu. Jeg er bare en lille smule spændt, hvis I ikke har regnet det ud. Vi har givet det like. Ja, vi har. Hej alle sammen, velkommen til en video. Jeg glæder mig så meget til det her, fordi det her det er jo lavet af ham der short youtuberen, den er called Rose. Og han har jo lavet det der lore med ham der Ricky der, som er morder. Og jeg ved ikke, i starten vidste jeg ikke, om jeg skulle reagere på den her video. Jeg kommer ikke til at snakke så meget lige nu i starten. Og jeg kommer til at snakke meget hurtigt i Sonic Speed. Men sådan på grund af det. Jeg vil så gerne se den her video. Men i starten vidste jeg ikke, om jeg skulle reagere på den. Og det tænkte jeg nok ville være en god idé. Men jeg vidste ikke, om jeg gad det, om det ville ødelægge min oplevelse. Bare at se den første gang. Og bare sidde og se den. Men han sagde, at han rigtig gerne vil se reaktionerne. Og han forstår ikke en skid af, hvad det er, jeg siger lige nu. Men jeg forstår, at jeg sidder og skriger, fordi jeg er så spændt sikkert. Hvis han udser den, det gør han ikke. Men jeg er ligeglad, jeg skal reagere på den. Yeah! Den er called Presents. Ricky. Yeah! Nå, altså, der er link ned på beskrivelsen til at se den. Wow, han er farlig. Ricky!
Alright, class. Today we're gonna learn about what it means
to
be a
den er jo short baggrund der.
hero.
Jeg har slået til fuld
Hero is
beskrivelsen.
someone who tries their absolute hardest to help others,
Ja, bedst kvalitet
no
nu.
matter what, and they always try to do the right thing.
Men jeg ved ikke om det. Ja, okay. Jeg ved ikke lige om jeg skal. Ved du hvad, jeg gør lige hurtigt. Jeg ved ikke om jeg behøver at have bedste kvalitet på videoen overhovedet. Der er ikke. Det er en tegnefilm, der er ikke så meget forskel. Nå. Gobling.
No matter what, and they always try to do the right.
Så det er simpelthen Rickys klassekammerater. Det er rimelig fedt. Nå, men skal jeg slå under 6 til, skal jeg ikke. Men det er sådan, der er nu en call draw som baggrund der. Det er rimelig fedt.
Others, no
Rimelig fedt easter egg.
matter what, and they always try to do
Villainous.
the right thing.
Ja, det er ikke Ricky.
Great people come in all shapes and sizes.
Ja, i hvert fald ikke. Ham der, i forhold af det jeg har hørt af ham, hvad teorierne er, så er han nok ikke nogen god person. Han skulle vist være sådan en grådig, rig person. Han har sikkert gjort et eller andet sindssygt. Han har sikkert et eller andet stor, hvad hedder det? Sikkert en eller anden stor forretning, eller måske var det ham, der grundlagde byen eller sådan noget sindssygt, jeg ved det
The
ikke.
more good you do,
Vi skal bare se den for at finde ud af det.
the more good things happen to you.
Yay, det er hans. Nej, Ricky, nej. Ricky, nej!
If you do bad things, bad things.
Okay, jeg kan sige, det her show, det kommer til at være rimelig mørkt også. Det ligner en tegnefilm, men det kommer, altså det er ikke børnefilm. Det her, det kommer ikke til at være sådan sindssygt børnevenligt.
Things happen. So what do you think,
Nej, men det er lige
class? What kind of person will you grow up to be?
What kind of person will you grow up to be? Jeg tror, Ricky er den eneste, der følger med lige nu. Han gider ikke. Hun er fokuseret på noget andet. Og ja, han sover, og hun er depressed. Men han er glad.
I want to be a hero.
Ja, drop det bare videre. Slenderman. Ricky, ja! Kom nu, Ricky.
Phew, it's just a nightmare. Thank
Whoa.
goodness. For a second there, I thought everything was on fire and...
What shit? Jeg elsker
You
det
almost
shit.
set one of us on fire.
What? You kids almost blew up my bedroom. I'd say we're even.
Okay, jeg elsker det. Og det er den der billede af ham. Jeg elsker allerede det her. 1 minut inden, jeg elsker det allerede. Au.
I'd say we're up a point.
Oh, yeah? Watch me.
Oh shit, not good. Yeah. Oh. Skal vi lige se der.
Now, monkey tail.
Han bliver bullet en lille smule. Det ligner en bonbonland karakter. Lad vent, vi skal se det her. Jeg har fundet et secret easter egg. Yeah. Hvorfor kan vi huske den op til kun 2? Nej, jeg vil ønske at kunne slå den til 4, men det er sikkert kun premium. Nej, nu skal jeg lige lade være med at lege med det, og rent følge med. Okay. Det ligner sådan en bonbon af en karakter, det kunne være der.
do now, monkey tail?
Ja, okay, fedt. No. På. Jeg tror ikke Ricky er den ondeste person, der er her. Jeg tror, jeg er onde lige nu. Wow.
Guys, maybe one day we'll actually finish a game of Capture the Flag.
We'll never get the chance now that you're moving to Toonville.
Oh.
Tunevide. Nej, det er der, vi bor
I'll
alle
be back
sammen.
one day, and you'll have time to grow up before then too. Except for you, Steve. You'll never grow up.
I'm Steve forbror.
Gotta go. I'll see you later, guys.
What the?
You'll
Er det hans
never grow up.
morrow? Nå, det... Han siger Ricky. What?
I'm here, I'm up, hold on, I'm just getting dressed.
Nej, du... Havsøj.
What was that? Nothing, Mom.
Det var hans morrow.
Shh, you saw nothing.
Han kommer til at snitte til ham der i en af de senere episoder, hvis ikke den her episode, jeg ved det. Men er Ricky? Jo, Ricky han er hoodie på, han er 100% teenager. Nå, det er far derovre. Jeg skal lige... Nå, men, nå. Jeg skal lige hurtigt fokusere på, eller lige rent faktisk forsøge på at få sådan lidt, eller rent faktisk kommentere lidt mere af mine tanker, og i stedet for bare at sige, uden af grund. På grund af, jeg tænkte sådan, at han teenager sådan lidt tydeligt, men jeg fik ikke sagt det på grund af, at jeg er ikke så god til at reagere. Måske bliver jeg bedre en dag. Jeg troede aldrig, jeg skulle sige, at jeg er dårlig til at reagere, men jo, det er jeg faktisk. Bim. Jeg har lyst til at trykke på næsten. Nej, hvor sådan sød. Jeg skal lige have det som formel, tror jeg. Nej, måske på... Jeg ved det ikke.
Can't wait for that stupid boy to get out of this house. Such a
Nej. Nej, han har et flot... Han har et flot overskæg, ved du hvad? Wow. Ricky, det der minder mig om Wimpy Kids. Og så det der Manny der. Og det er Craig. Og ja. Så kommer Roderick et eller andet sted. Det der er Roderick, det der. Og det der, det er far, og det der, det er Morrow. Jeg kan ikke huske, hvad de hedder. Jeg har ikke læst bøgerne i lang tid. Jeg har kun set filmene. Jeg har vokset fra det. Selvom filmene er gode, de bliver aldrig dårlige. Bortset fra Disney-versionerne. De er sgu ikke så sindssyge. Men ja, i hvert fald ja. Nu kan jeg hvad jeg skulle sige. Nå ja. Altså Rickys far har sådan et overskæg. Kommer Ricky så en eller anden dag til at få sådan et overskæg? Eller er det bare hans far, der har det, og så har hans bror arvet det, men det har han ikke. Eller jeg forventer, det er hans bror på grund af, at han er gul. Og han er også gul, så det må også være hans bror. Men det der lidt bare gul version af Ricky. Hvis det ikke er hans bror, så ved jeg ikke, hvem det så skulle være. Nå, han har ikke nogen til det der. Har han det? Det ved jeg ikke.
Molly, at
Yeah,
least
monkey
you're
tail.
gonna miss me, right? Nah, it's okay. You're still my favorite girl.
Kitchen now! Ricky, so help me. You were supposed to be
We
down
need to-
here at 8 o'clock
we need to
sharp
cook.
every morning. You understand how much we do for you? I'm taking
Men
hours
jeg skal lige hurtigt høre, hvad...
8 o'clock sharp every morning. You
Jeg kan ikke høre, hvad du siger, når du laver mig sådan en stemme. Okay, nå ja, okay.
understand how much we do for you? I'm
Nu får
taking
han skæld ud.
hours out of my day to help you move, and you don't even have enough respect to show up to this wonderful meal I've cooked for you on time.
Sorry, Mom. I was just busy
Det var hans
saying bye to the
Morrow.
neighbors. I'm gonna miss them.
Ved du hvad? Jeg skal lade mig snakke over nogle ting. Jeg skal pause, når jeg vil sige noget, hvor ellers så kan jeg med køre, hvad det er.
Meal I've cooked
Hvorsom, jeg øver mig i at blive reagere, mand.
for you on time.
Sorry, Mom. I was just busy saying bye to the neighbors. I'm gonna miss them.
Saying bye. Nå, hvad flytter de? Yippie. God lille.
Then don't leave Blueberg. I mean, I still want you out of my house, don't get me wrong. But moving to Twisted Toonville? Absolutely nothing good comes out of that town.
Weren't you guys born there?
Hey, don't talk back to me. We left because we were smart. I haven't been back there since all that Red Rabbit junk
Hvorfor-
went down. Yep.
Rød kanin. Hans overskæg hopper lidt.
What do
Lucky.
you expect to get out of all this anyway?
I don't know. I think it would be kind of cool to help people.
Help
Good
people? Of course. You want to swing
Du kunne til at dræbe folk.
in and play hero or something? Newsflash, world has plenty of heroes already. What you need you for, pal?
Well, people sure are gonna need a lot of help where you're going. So much dirty crime and gangs, especially being next to that rancid Renanopolis, too.
Bacon!
What's wrong with Renanopolis?
Are you kidding me? Everything! You know what that place did to your uncle. Only good thing in
Yeah.
that whole city is good old Lucky. When he's not making movies or working on his businesses, he's spending every
men
day
ja,
trying
han
to clean that whole mess of a...
Han er, han er vist en filmstjerne eller sådan noget. Sådan populær rig mand. Sådan for succesfuld. Sådan nogle af de der succesfulde personer, jeg ved ikke, om man siger det, er det succes, eller succes, eller succes. Jeg ved ikke, men han er i hvert fald sådan succesfuld, succesfuld, Scary Queen. Jeg gider ikke læse alt den tekst her, men han er sådan en der person. Han er sådan, han er spejlæg! Han er nogle af de her personer der ikke fortjener at være populære. Sådan, det er tit alle folk, der ikke er YouTubere, som er populære. Okay, det er skidt. Jeg kan godt lide nogle folk. Men der er også nogle folk, der ikke er YouTubere, som... YouTubere kan slippe afsted med... normale celebrities kan slippe afsted med ting, som YouTubere aldrig vil kunne, altså.
When he's not making movies or working on his businesses, he's spending every day trying to clean that whole mess of a place up. In fact, if I ever got to meet him, hell, I could die a happy monkey.
I never understood the big deal with him anyway.
What'd you say, you little brat? We do not disrespect Lucky in this house. He's done more good for the world than you ever will.
Yeah, don't be stupid, Ricky. Lucky's the greatest person that's ever existed in...
Ja, prøv at se, altså, de teorier, jeg har set, er 100% ret lige nu på grund af, de bliver ved med at kalde ham for Ricky, eller Lucky, han er den bedste person. Og jeg tror ikke, de kan regne ud, hvad det betyder. Han er ond. Men for at være ærlig, det kommer Ricky også til at blive, så ja. Undskyld, jeg spoilede.
History, such talent, such glamour, the perfect smile, the perfect color.
Color?
Yep, you heard her. Yellow's just the best, bro.
Oh, so I have to be on time, but Jordan gets to be late?
Good morning, Big J.
Jamen, han er cool.
You're going off to med school today.
Oh my god, han er bare blå. Oh my god, racistisk familie. Gul er bedre end blå for nu af. Så prøv lige at høre her. Hold nu kæft alle sammen. Blå vil altid være det ser faktisk godt ud det der. Blå vil altid være bedre end gul. I don't care what you say.
Saving lives doesn't really have as much of an impact when you've been saving hundreds of weeks since the 5th grade, you know?
Oh, I still can't believe they let an 11-year-old operate on a brain.
Do not disrespect your older brother. He's making this family proud.
Unlike you.
Whatever.
More than Jordan. Anyway, Ricky, point is, there's no such reason for you to be going all the way to Toonville. And I think you're a mistake. I mean, making a mistake.
Well, you've made that.
Okay. God far, det der.
Finish your food, it's time to
go. Hvad er det, vi kommer til at spole over til?
Hey,
Nå, Ricky han er bange der.
Riggs. We always need more organ donors at the hospital.
Alright, that's the last of them. Oh, wait, I have to grab my lucky lighter. Do you need anything
Ej, jeg
else?
elsker den her... Jeg tror, der har fået for meget kaffe. Han er i hvert fald begyndt at hallucinere. Jeg ved ikke, om man kan... At det for meget kaffe kan give en det, men det kan det i Fist Fathom, så det kan man nu.
Mangler du en ny?
Nej! Hold lige kæft, Judex. Ikke nu.
I need therapy.
Judex, kan du ikke lade være med at afbryde det moment, Judex? Jeg kan allerede ikke selv godt lide dig lige nu, på grund af, at du laver så meget brainwave content, og bare gør alt muligt for penge. Sidder og får børn addicted til Steel Brainwave, der begynder at få alle deres penge ved på gambling, og begynder at lave ekstra Pokémon-kanaler udelukkende bare for ekstra views. Det der, det er det værste, du nogensinde har gjort. Jeg er ligeglad, hvad du siger. Og nej, jeg kan ikke så godt lide Judex. Han var engang god, sådan okay god. Nu berømmelsen har stiget ham til, jeg kan ikke huske, hvad det hedder. Ligesom Lucky! Altså ikke Lasse Vestergaards hund, men Lucky! For Toonturf! Lighter, brænd husen ned. Yay. 13, det kan jo aldrig gå galt!
believe you still don't know how to drive. And I was such a good teacher. I can't believe you still don't know how to drive.
Han prøver at male på bilen. Ved du, jeg synes det er fair nok det der. Det er fair nok det der. De må godt køre ind, ja.
Mom?
Du har lige kørt ind i dit barn. Jeg prøver at male graffiti på bilen. Nå, kan vi vide, hvad med det, der laver voice til det her? Er det bare kun Dano og hans... Jeg forestiller mig, at der er forskellige voice actors til det. Kunne Johnny Racer være en af dem? Kunne Speedrunning Shots personen være en af dem, hedder han nu? Joe Kane. Kunne han være en af dem? Det ved jeg ikke. Men det der, det er så meget Dano Zoomer. Cano Doll Straws.
You just...
Don't criticize my driving! Anyway, I'm excited for you to start your great big adventure. Thanks, you're absolutely
Jeg elsker det der animation. Toonturf! Yeah! The first one. Jeg håber ikke, den her musik kommer stærk. Det bør den ikke være, men prøv at se. går bare lige sådan her. Bambio. Jokane! Jenny Racer. Ja, pingvin der. Jeg ved ikke bare vi har lyd på, jeg ved det ikke. Original music bare. Jeg tror han sagde noget med musikken og copyright striker, men jeg er ligeglad ved. Eller copyrightet, men ja. Wow. Drink Lucky Cola. Original song. Ja, alt det der. Det bliver amerikaner. Og så featuring Bundon. Bundon har altid sagt, at han gerne vil med i Tune Turf, så ja. Repair. Ah! Jeg glemte, for at være ærlig, jeg glemte alt om Repair. Han er en af de største af de der short YouTubers venner. Sådan, han er en af Dano Coles som største venner. Eller YouTube-ven med flest subscribers. Lille ild. Jeg kan huske den bør han vi kalder, men i hvert fald jeg glemmer alligevel alt om Repair. Jeg synes Repair er den kedeligste. Han er ikke dårlig om noget som helst. Han er bare den kedeligste med alle sammen. Alligevel har han flest subscribers. Men han er den eneste af dem, der også rigtig banner sådan rigtig meget. Så jeg kan godt lide Repair. Men jeg synes ikke, han er nok den sådan mest normale af dem alle sammen. Hvilket jo bare ikke er nogen gode ting at være normal på YouTube på grund af. Så blender man bare ind med alle andre. Han laver også kreative ting, for værlig. Nå. Hometown of Luckinson. Driving in my car. Men
But my house is still another mile.
den der.
Alright,
Driving in
here's
my
your
car.
stop.
But my house is still another mile away, Ma.
I'm never setting foot in that town again. You're a big boy, sweetie. You can walk from here. See you later.
Nå flytter han hjemmefra.
It'll all be worth it.
Han tager bare shorts. Han tager shorts med huset.
Finally, home sweet, huh? Yeah.
Nej, ikke det pingvin nu.
Did you just bite my leg?
Was that the Vitamin 7? Ja.
Did you just bite my
Ej,
leg?
prøv at, det der, det er jo, hvad hedder det ved man, hvis man har set flere af en shorts, eller rigtig mange af en shorts, så ved man godt, at det der sker, men, jamen er det nogen, der ikke har set nogen af hans shorts, bare deres reaktion, som sikkert 80% af jer derude.
Did you just bite my leg?
Deres reaktion må være perfekt. Nå ja, hvis I gerne vil se den uden commentary på, så gå bare ned i eller i beskrivelsen af den her video, for at klikke på det link, der er der.
Directions to Crank's Casas.
Getting directions to Prank's Pastas.
Crank's Casas.
Pastas.
I don't want pasta.
Ordering pasta.
Oh,
Jeg tror ikke, han var så glad for det.
Fine, I'll find it on my own.
Altså, jeg sagde engang til Siri er fandt ko. Høne. Ja, jeg sagde, hvad, er det der? Er det ikke ko også det der? Nej, det der han fik rolle senere. Men altså, jeg spurgte engang Siri omkring, hvorfor er det der så, okay, hvorfor er det der så flat, fordi det er lavet papir. Ja, det var det, jeg spurgte Siri om. Nej, det jeg spurgte Siri om var, Siri er fandt det godt, og så svarede han tilbage med, jeg ved ikke, hvad du mener med, Siri knipper jeg godt. Fuck, du er dirty mindet. Jeg kører på med skateboard. Og den her scene har jeg set, den er god. Ja! Yeah! Yay! Det minder mig om Undertale. Det minder bare på en eller anden måde om Undertale, når man lige kommer ind i de nye byer, og alle NPC'erne bare står der.
Monkey with a rabbit's tail? Shh, we don't look up freaks, Timmy.
Bror, du er en grøn ting med næb og hår. Du er heller ikke meningen, du skal findes. Hvad fanden er det der derovre? Det minder mig så meget om Undertale, sådan det der med alle de der, når man kommer over ind i Snowding, hvor alle de NPC'er bare står der. Snowding er bare et af de bedste steder i Undertale, jeg er ligeglad, hvad jeg siger.
Monkey with a rabbit's tail? Shh, we don't look up freaks, Timmy.
Hey, watch where you're going,
Og det,
punk!
Sorry, it's not my fault your tail's a street hazard.
Ricky, slap af. Nå, altså, ja. Det her tidspunkt gjorde med i den der computerspil der, den her The Salesman. Altså, har Samsung ikke lavet sådan noget lort, altså. Hvem? Too Tough! Lavet af en af Dano Cultures venner, altså ham der har lavet deres show. En af hans venner, som gå ind og se den video nu! Nå, jeg skal se det igen nu.
Freaks, Timmy.
Hey, watch where you're going, punk!
Sorry, it's not my fault your tail's a street hazard.
Why, you little... Ew. What is that?
Monkey tail.
My tail?
What kind of a
Whoa.
monster are you?
Nej, det er både lige
Put
det
me
der.
down or I'll... Ow!
Oh, you what? And you thought there was something wrong with my tail?
Leave him alone, Dolph.
Ui. Nej, Ricky! Ricky! Nej, Ricky.
Oh, I hate that song, babe. Please.
Here, let me help you up.
Ja, ja.
Smash.
What?
Sorry for...
What?
Here, let me help you up.
Smash.
What?
Jeg elsker det. Jeg troede Remas ikke engang. Jeg troede ikke at Dano ville få det her, eller jeg tror faktisk sådan noget Daniel eller sådan noget i virkeligheden, men jeg troede ikke at han ville Remas prøve at gøre det sådan så sjovt. Jeg troede lidt mere at den ville sådan være et alvorligt show for at sørge for sådan at vise hans baghistorie, men nej, det var sjovt. 8 minutter, så lang tid i videoen.
Sorry for smashing into you.
Oh, it's okay. So, your name?
Riggy.
Ricky.
Well, hi Riggy. I'm Ruby, and this is my boyfriend, Dolph. Nice to meet you.
Do you have a concussion or something?
Sorry, yeah, I'm sure it's just a concussion. So, what are you guys up to?
Oh, you want to know what we're up to? It's this really cool thing called None Ya Business.
Dolph, be nice.
Whoa.
We're putting up posters for Red Rabbit Day.
Oh, right. You guys have that weird holiday today. Isn't it strange that Toonville throws a party over some freak terrorist every year?
What?
What? I'm
Som du
sorry,
ked af
is she
det.
laughing or crying?
Real nice. Hey, come on, Toots. Let's leave this rat to himself.
Red.
Wait, what'd I say?
Let's go, I'm starving.
Han er ikke så god til at få nye venner. Åh nej. Åh nej.
Hey, can I just get a strawberry one?
Yup, just a book.
Pink.
Have a great day, buddy.
Men det skulle da ham der bjørnen derfor hans. Jeg kan ikke sådan hedder. Barry. Du skal Barry. Carry him and Barry.
Mommy, can we get ice cream? No, you
Man skal altså lige sige lige måde med Ricky. Lad nu manere.
don't need the sugar, Timmy. Come on.
Åh nej, Ricky, tag den, samle op inden nogen andre gør.
Here, take it. I'm not that hungry anyway.
Åh nej.
Strawberry, I wanted chocolate. Hey, get away from my child, creep.
Aw, well, at least someone's enjoying it.
Ah, seriously?
For satan. Ja, okay, det er ikke så godt. Jeg synes det er irriterende hele tiden kommer reklamer på video, men det er også en god ting på grund af Dano, han er nødt til at tjene så mange penge på det her som overhovedet muligt. Det er ligeglad med.
Oh, what now?
Thanks a bunch. See you later, Lucky.
Nope, thank you, Crank. My guys will be
Thank
in
you,
touch.
great.
Hold on to your hats, folks. It looks like he's coming out now. Can you get a good view?
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, part the waters. Good job. What a crowd. Now, one at a
Jeg kan bedre lide Ricky, han er bedre.
time, folks. One at a time. Bring the car around, both. This will take a sec. Oh, Chunks, you're too kind. Thanks a bunch, pal. Nice to meet you, buddy. Excuse me. Make it through here. Hello? Hey, who wants a lucky plushie?
Nø.
Alright, get ready, and catch! Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful! Oh, you
Beautiful.
want me to sign your baby's head? Oh, sure, what the heck? Oh, what
Oh
a
my
cute kid. You're gonna grow up to be a great consumer, aren't ya? Now, I wish I could stay and meet every one of you, but I got... Hey, Paul, what the... Jeez! Hey, buddy, you okay? I'm so sorry, that was completely on me.
What? De kører bare... No way. De kører bare ind i Ricky. Bro, oh my god, det er den der Purple Guys bil, det der. Oh my god, de kører bare ind i Ricky.
You're alright, aren't you? I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Sorry about that, random citizen. Here, take a lucky plushie on me, yeah? Alright, then, stay safe out there in the future, old sport, okay?
Stay safe, du kørte ind i ham.
Everybody!
Nå.
Celebrities.
Behold den nu, du kan sælge den videre.
Is this Crank's Casas?
Nope, Crank's Construction. Recently had a name change. Now full-time contractors for all your building needs. Houses, shops, and we're even working on Lucky's new secret project.
Great,
Oh, no.
I don't care. Listen, I'm Riggy. You spoke on the phone?
Yes, you're the one who wouldn't tell me what animal you were. Well, I can see you're a very hoppy-looking rabbit and...
Okay.
Sir, is that a monkey tail?
No, it's my third arm. Listen, I bought a house from you and now it looks like this. Care to explain?
Well, it appears as though a tree has sprouted through it.
No, not
No
really.
way.
I mean, what are you gonna do about it?
Well, there's a reason you were able to buy the place so cheap. Maybe if you had a little
Okay.
extra cash, we could find you something more acceptable.
I
Scary.
don't have any
What-
money. I want you to fix my house, or at least get it out of the tree.
I'm awfully sorry. Right now, we're all up to our
Okay.
necks in Lucky's new construction project. Have you heard about it? It's going to be a fantastical magic...
I don't care about Lucky. I want a house.
You don't care about Lucky?
Ja.
You need to leave.
What? But
Sådan blev sur. Vi er allerede halvvejs inde i, og det er ikke en allerede, det er jo ikke fuld det der. Nej, det er ikke allerede på grund af, det tager mig så lang tid at reagere på det, på grund af, at jeg så pause for hver eneste, hele tiden. Men jeg er så glad lige nu. Ja, fedt. Hov, Ricky, det må man ikke. Ja, Ricky.
Whoa, what kind of animal are you?
A rat.
No, you've got rabbit ears and a monkey tail. Are you some sort of a rabkey? No.
Rabbit
a
monkey.
money.
Rumpy.
A mabbit.
Runky. My sister's a
Runky, no, Runky.
Hold on, Runky. Where does the U come from?
Oh, shut up. Just let me be.
So, you're new around here then?
Yes. Why?
Because you obviously don't know what spray painting means in this town.
What?
Okay.
Mind your own business, okay?
Suit yourself.
Åh nej. Åh, det er det her betyder. Nå, det er derfor han er bange. Ricky, jeg tror du har fucket lidt op. Ja, han... Nej, lad være. Nej, lad være. Du ødelægger mit hjerte. Lad være. Lad være. Please, lad være. Bare kom sur igen. Jeg kan bedre lide ham sådan. Jeg kan ikke lide ham sådan der. Nej, hvis jeg kan ikke lide at se ham græde. Han er... Ricky er sød.
What do you want?
Det er en bæver, det der. Nå ja, det er ham, det bæveren som alle... Nej, jeg prøver ikke at spørge noget.
What are you doing?
Nej.
You just really look like...
Okay, hvis det som jeg har hørt før, den der teori med... Hvis den teori er sand lige nu, jeg kommer til at græde.
you could use a hug.
Åh nej.
Thanks.
Please lad være.
Had a rough day?
No, it's nothing. I got scammed.
Yeah, if you need someone to talk about it, I'm right here. I've been told I'm a decent listener.
I bought this house, and then the whole tree grew through it, and I was hoping that those dummies at the construction place could get it down for me, but they kicked me out.
Well, I don't know.
Og nu begynder nogen at skyde efter dig.
I do own a saw you can have. I haven't used it in a long while. They've always seemed sort of dangerous to me. So I've been looking to get rid of it. Maybe it'll help you get your house down, and you'll have a little extra firewood too.
Really? That's the first nice thing someone's offered since I got here.
Okay.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Tun tør nok ikke heller ikke lige... Nej, Tun ved, at det ligner heller ikke den bedste by for at være ærlig på i...
More welcoming. Pleasure to meet you. I'm Billy Bieber.
Billy Bieber.
Ricky Runky.
Billy Bieber. Jeg kan lige sådan nogle navne. Billy Bieber. Billy Bieber.
Well, I've never heard of a... Whoa!
Hvad? I've never heard of a... Altså... Det skal være min nye... Jeg sidder derinde med eneste gang, der kommer et jumpscare med, at mange laver en... Eller med, at jeg ikke sådan skriger sindssygt meget. Eller jeg laver en eller anden dårlig skrig, som ingen synes er sjovt. Sådan et... Skal jeg have et...
I've never heard of a...
Wow! Han lyder som Mickey Mouse.
Runky? Well, I've never heard of a... Whoa!
Oh yeah, scared of the tail?
No, it's just I've never seen something so cool. You're unique. Normal is boring.
Okay.
I've never seen anyone so special.
Exactly.
Thanks, Billy.
No problemo. Now, about that saw. Come with me.
Der kommer en reklame der. Han ser rigtig flot ud af ham der. Det er sgu den bæver! Bæver kan fælde træer. Hvis I ikke vidste det.
Hiya, Ma. Oh, man, I brought a new friend.
Oh, hi there. My name's Bethel. What's yours?
Come on.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. I'm Riggy.
You don't have to call me ma'am, sweetheart. Make yourself at home, okay?
Ricky just moved to that old place near the tunnel of the city. The one that got a tree sprouted through it. And I was wondering if he could have our sauce so he could get it down.
Well, of course he can have
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sauce, sweetie. Feel free. And let me know if you need anything at all, you hear?
Nej. Please. Please lad være med at sige den teori, jeg hørte sådan. Hvis Daniel gør det her, det kommer både til at være det mørkeste show, og jeg kommer til at cancel ham.
Oh, that's the school. I might have to go back into work.
Oh, well, that's
Oh,
okay.
Mom.
We can find it on our own. I love you, Ma.
I love you too, Firefly. And it was nice to meet you. Take care now.
You too.
Oh, she's the best. Ever since my dad passed when I was real young, she's had to take care of me by herself. She's a school teacher, but today she was supposed to have off. Oh, well, I'm sure it's important.
Why do you still live at home? You're the same age as me. Couldn't you have been helping her pay the bills or something?
Well, I do. I work at the pet shop. At least
Okay.
when the charity don't need me or when I'm not helping relocate those poor old penguins.
Ugh, you
Poor.
have one as a pet?
Stakkels små pingviner. De har aldrig gjort noget forkert.
These things freak me out.
Oh, the wild ones are rough sometimes, but this one's sweet and domesticated.
Nej.
Okay.
Nej!
Perny, no! That's strange. Usually Copernicus likes everybody. There, go on, boy.
Jeg kan ikke lide Ricky, fordi han er
I never
anderledes.
looked out because I knew she needed me to help her with the payments. It's all fine though. I've always been a
Jeg
mama's
elsker de her
boy.
stikkontakter. Kan vi lige hurtigt bare pause 2 sekunder for at snakke om de der gode stikkontakter, der er lige der. Jeg elsker dem bare sådan. Prøv lige at se, de smiler jo. Altså, de er faktisk bange. Det var det, jeg mente. De danske nogen, de smiler jo.
Anyway,
Hvordan fanden så jeg lige sådan der?
in fact, that's why I was at Greg's today. I was looking for a real nice bedroom door replacement to get her for her birthday.
Yay.
Tomorrow, actually.
Mine too.
She's really? Well, how'd it do? Maybe you can come over tomorrow and we can have a double birthday party for you and my mom.
Vi kan have
It's
en double
okay.
birthday
I
party.
didn't want to intrude. Yeah, Saw?
Oh, right. I get distracted sometimes. I'm sorry. It's right in here. Yeesh, that's dark. One sec. Let me light a candle.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
I always carry a lighter with me.
Oh, that's mighty kind of you. Thanks. Yeah. Oh,
Haha!
I've never done well with fire. Here,
Lille
can you hold this
kolobi.
for me?
Oh my god.
Let's see.
Nej, den er faktisk sød, den pingvin.
Well, here we go.
Eller,
One
jo, det hedder
song,
pingvin.
considering
Jeg skulle
I
tilkalde den
haven't
delfin i
birthday
stedet for. Når vi er snart halvvejs, og vi er det har sikkert taget en time, den her video. No way, den har rent været stadig sådan 40 minutter over det.
Make sure to be careful with it, and don't be afraid to let me know if you ever need anything else. Anything at all. I've heard moving can be scary, and I don't want you to be alone, so if you need a friend, I'm right here. In fact, this
Right
evening
here.
I'll just be heading down the lake for my leisurely stroll, and you can come if you'd like.
Thanks, Billy. Maybe next time.
Oh, yeah, you're probably going to a festival to see the fireworks. I don't blame you. It's quite a show every
Nej,
year.
hvem gider...
Show?
Jo,
What,
på den anden side,
what is all this
det... Fireworks er faktisk rigtig gode. Jeg skulle til at sige det overrated, men det er
Day is
det.
a
Overvendt.
big holiday, but isn't a red rabbit like some sort of major criminal?
Så var han lige blevet Eminem-rapper.
I don't blame you. It's quite a show every year.
A show? What is all this about? I mean, I know Red Rabbit Day is a big holiday, but isn't the Red Rabbit like some sort of major criminal?
Well, yeah, that's why we celebrate. Exactly 20 years ago to the day, the Red
You beat
Rabbit went on
flashbacks.
the biggest crime spree in the history of the universe.
Nah,
At the
Ricky.
end of the day, he got locked up. So we celebrate the fact that he was caught. Well, at least most people believe he was caught.
Huh?
See, the guilty guy's name is Randy Rabbit, and for the past 20 years, he's claimed that he's innocent. Not many
Okay.
people believe him, though, but his daughter...
Okay then. Well, thanks for the Lord dumping the saw, pal.
Jeg kan blive ved.
So help me,
Hvorfor har du en sav i lommen?
Glad you think I taste good.
Nå, den er så sav, den skal jo bruge det til at sætte... Ja, noget... Ja, 3 hedder det.
What the?
Yippie.
Hey, put that down! Give that back!
Nej, det er pingvin-attack.
No, you don't!
Slå den ind.
You freaking penguins!
Ja, dumme.
Ah, stupid!
Dum. Hvad fanden er det?
eh, kid?
Yeah, you could say that.
Need something to relax ya?
Lige sådan det til
What do you mean?
Want some cane?
Huh?
Hvad?
The cane, you know?
What?
You know, the green pipe The funny puff?
What are you talking about?
This.
Bambus.
Is
Jamen, det er
it
super okay.
illegal? Yeah, that's what makes it so good.
Wow! Det skulle da stoffer, det der.
Yeah, listen.
Jeg ved ikke, om det er nogen god idé. Prøv at få for meget sukker. Der er ingen af jer forstår den reference, men den er god.
I don't touch stuff like that. It's because of junk like this that made my Uncle Bonzi go all weird, and I'm not interested. Uncle Bon? What?
Nå, det ryg. Det er røgning. Det ryg. Han ryger.
Weird. Nah, Kane doesn't make you act that weird. You know,
Jo.
it's the cloud that will really get you. Cloud? Yeah.
Har du set dine egne øjne? Det er ikke normalt. Det lyder faktisk ikke
The
det.
puffy cloud? It's everywhere.
Det smager godt.
Sure, Kane is a crutch for guys like me, but the cloud? Oh, that stuff is nasty addicting. Ruins a lot of lives.
Jeg tror, jeg tror altså ikke, det ruiner nogen lives. Hvad er det der en reference til?
Well, why didn't anyone do anything about it?
Jeg ved ikke, om det er en reference til noget, men ja.
Let me tell you something. This town, this place, it's got
And the
tons of
factory.
weird things about it. Strange happenings that don't quite make sense. Sometimes it's small stuff.
Det er sådan... De har så lavet papir, så jeg synes, det er fair nok.
Shadows hitting folks in ways that don't line up. Or the road getting all cubey and whack when you look at it from a certain angle.
Det er også papir.
Written on a page. Sometimes you won't see people for weeks on end, only for them to turn up like they've been forgotten and then suddenly remembered.
Or maybe you just have cataracts and a bad memory.
Sometimes whole buildings disappear and then appear again out of thin air. It's like the
Og så er
whole
bygningen bare væk, når
world
han kigger
is
tilbage.
constantly destroying itself, but then patching itself back up again before anyone bloody notices.
Okay, listen, it was great meeting you, but
You what? You think I'm crazy?
Gå tilbage,
Well, then
sik,
tell
gamle
me,
mand.
Smarty, did that hoodie always have a zipper on it?
Yes, listen, I just...
But the worst thing about this...
Okay, den har... Vent lige, vi skal tilbage. Vent lige. What? Fik lige en reklame med to mænd, der bare... Eller, nej, med nogle random personer, der bare... sådan 3 personer, der bare skriger random lyde, mens der er en... sådan smukt musik i baggrunden. Og jeg skipper ikke reklamer på grund af, at han skal tjene så mange penge på det her. Det havde den sgu da ikke engang. Ej, vi blev nødt til at optage det i starten. Nå, vent, vi skal lige tilbage til hvor. Var det ikke 21, vi var nødt til? Jo, det var det. Så cirka det omkring. Han har set noget der.
And they come out with hating me.
Vent.
It's poisoning our people. And you know where it all comes from.
Substance abuse,
Vent, nej.
Anyone bloody knows.
Lille ild, det er der, hvor den kommer fra.
Okay, listen, it was great meeting you, but
You what? You think I'm crazy? Well then tell me,
Hvorfor er der en lynlås over hans fucking lomme der?
Smarty, did that hoodie always have a zipper on it?
Nej, det her ved vi nu ikke engang.
Yes, listen, I just...
But the worst thing about this town, whether it's the world being all wacky, those vermin penguins trying to infest everything, the turf wars between those rival gangs, or the trickle-down criminals from Rhinopolis. The biggest battle for the heart of this town has been the citizens versus the puffy
Jeg elsker den musik, der er i baggrunden lige nu. I forstår ikke, hvor meget jeg elsker den.
cloud. And it really...
Okay, now listen to me, you buggy-eyed creep. I don't want to get involved in your crazy conspiracy theory garbage. I've had the worst day ever. Nearly everyone in this town hates me just from a single glance at my stupid tail, and I'm tired of hearing speeches about...
The cloud's all in the streets, mate. It's poisoning our people. And you know where it all comes from.
Substance
Din
abuse
hale.
addiction?
That factory over yonder.
Jeg vidste det.
What?
Jeg vidste slet ikke, men jeg vidste han var ond.
Suspicious folks all pull up in there, and they come out with the mountains of it. Mountains, I tell ya. You know, if I was you, so upset about people hating me, I'd bust myself in there and get rid of the cloud once and for all. If there's one thing that'll make you a hero, mate, it's that.
Interesting. Lucky's factory. So, do you think Lucky has something to do with it?
Og så, ja, så prøver de ind i det senere. Det er det, ja. Jeg skal lade mig at spoile for mig selv. Jo, han er. Han er ond.
I know it's got something to do with them shifty little dolphins.
Dolphins?
Delfiner. Nå, den der. Ja, okay.
Billy, open up!
Strange. Thought for sure I heard.
En
Never mind. Hey, I appreciate you being honest with me.
Hvor kan han
I'm
chill
friends
stemme?
with her, but try to keep the peace, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Nej, hvis hun er
Sorry,
død.
sir.
Ah, come on, Billy. You don't have to call me sir. And hey, we're still on for dinner tomorrow night, right?
Yep,
Hun vil ikke være død.
But keep it a secret. I haven't told her about the party yet.
Excellent. Well, you have yourself a nice night, Bill.
Jeg kan godt lide hans stemme, må jeg ikke få den?
Hey, Billy!
Whoa! Well, Harry, Riggy. Where'd you come from?
What was that?
Davy? Well, he was just going around asking about the graffiti on Crank's shop.
What did you tell him?
That I did it to help speak out against Red Rabbit Day.
Phew, thank goodness. I'm like deathly afraid of cops and... Wait.
Nå, vent, politiet skød efter ham. Det var derfor... Nå, vent, politiet prøvede at skyde efter ham. Wow. Okay. De politimænd, de skal have lidt mere chill.
Why did you lie?
Oh, believe me, it definitely didn't make me feel too good. Oh,
Hvis den teori, jeg har hørt omkring ham her er sanden, jeg græder. Han er Donald Trump her, godt.
really don't like lying, but you seem like you really needed a break, so I bent the truth a little.
Oh, thanks. Hey, speaking of bending the rules, though, I need your help.
Huh?
See that smoke?
Oh, nej.
From the plushie factory? Well, yeah, but
Okay, listen. I found out that a major problem in this town, the puffy cloud, runs through that factory every night. And my plan is to break in, get evidence, show it to the police, and become a hero.
Breaking and entering? Vicky, I was already on the edge about lying to the coppers, but
It's perfect. You're even friends with that cop. What did you say his name was? Declan?
Davey.
Dookie, right. And don't you want to do some good? Wouldn't you like to take Cloud off the streets? You know, help people?
Well, yes, but
Then come with me. The factory's gonna be closed. Everyone's going to the festival to celebrate Red Rabbit Day. You said it yourself.
Ja.
Tonight. I can't do this alone, and right now you're the only one I trust. And just
Jonah har lavet en livestream.
imagine, not only would we be heroes, we could be famous. We could solve
Yeah.
tons of mysteries and save bunches of people. The adventures of Riggy and Billy.
Riggy, saving people shouldn't be
Den
about
teori.
becoming a celebrity.
Den teori må ikke være sand.
Well,
Det har jeg hørt.
we go to a factory and find out what they're doing. We could improve so many lives by getting rid of the cloud forever.
Well,
De siger, den ikke er sand. Den
I
teori, jeg
don't want
har
you
hørt.
going alone, and if it'll help people, I'll do it.
That's the spirit. Haha.
Ja. Yay. Yay. Og det er Riggy der. Men er det Riggy? Nej, det er sgu ikke Riggy. Han bør ikke være deroppe, men... jeg dør kende det der hele tiden, men... Det bør ikke være Riggy deroppe, men det er sgu da Riggy. Jeg er ligeglad, hvad I siger. Det er Riggy jo. Jeg er bange. Nej.
Is the coast clear?
Den musik er bare så ro.
Ken, Riggy, I really don't know if... What's with the gloves?
Wait, only fingerprints, obviously.
Nej, fordi så er du en tegnefilmskarakter, og det er jo det der er meningen.
You brought a grappling hook? Where'd you get that?
My informant
not?
he gave me a bunch of supplies. Told me it was all just in case.
Rope? Matches? Dynamite? Why do you have so much? Surely you weren't planning on using this, were you?
Only if I absolutely need to. But that was all just in case things turn sour and...
Vicky, what if
Det
we
gør det.
hurt someone?
Relax. We're not hurting anybody.
Jo, ja.
Maybe we'll use it as a
Måske
threat.
kommer jeg til at
No one's
dræbe et
gonna
par.
die or anything. We're just gonna turn them into the authorities when we catch them in the act.
Jeg ser. Jeg kan.
Haha. Come on, let's
Jeg...
go.
Ricky!
Lighthouse Factory.
That's damage to private property!
På biblioteket.
You can't seriously... Oh...
Stakkels bede, jeg kan godt lide ham. Yay, han er glad. Nej. Nej!
Now let's see.
Oh, nej.
Where's all the puff? Maybe in these boxes? Oh, no. Ah.
I told you, Riggy.
Jeg er bange. Jeg er
I
sur.
didn't think there'd be anything in here. Just...
Nej, du får de røde øjne.
Just a bunch of cute and cuddly plushies.
No, it has to be somewhere.
De får røde øjne, så skynder så jeg kan dem.
Here, maybe on these trucks. I've seen tons of movies where they hide stuff down here, but... Yeah.
Du kan kun
Hey,
ned.
Billy, can you undo that nozzle down there? There
Nej.
has to be things stuffed inside it. I
Nej.
can't do it with my gloves on.
This triangle?
Nej!
Yeah, that's it.
Nej, nej!
Billy, you okay?
Oh, it just had gasoline in it.
Åh, jeg er
So
bange
sorry,
der.
Billy. I shouldn't have dragged you here. This just makes no sense. The fox said it would be
The fuck. Men jeg tror, der er siger F-ordet lige nu. Nej, så kunne det være, som troede det.
Yeah, what's the big deal?
Riggy, the boxes in this town, they have a... Oh, they're just always up to something
De er sindssyge.
shifty. We shouldn't have come. We need to...
Oh shit.
We need to hide.
Not good.
Over here.
He said tonight's batch is the plushies that have, an extra stitch in the side.
Oh, nej.
Yeah, I got it, Dolph.
Delfinerne, de er
It's
dumme.
him. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, shh, don't worry, just be quiet.
Nej, hold nu kæft! Du bliver afsløret.
Check. Batch confirmed.
Nej.
Why do they
Der er
sound
noget,
the
der er
exact
noget hemmeligt i
same?
dem. Ass.
What do you mean?
What, you don't hear their voices? Don't gaslight me, Billy.
He said there's a lot scheduled for tonight. Our biggest haul yet. Could take a couple of hours. Lift.
Ja, kan vel
don't
være
put it
også.
Careful.
Godt animeret det der. Det ser godt ud det der.
What did I
At
say?
det ser sådan weird ud på sådan en god måde.
Hey, over here.
Okay, han ikke sig bare.
No, your other left. No, that
Ja,
way.
det gider så.
Hey, right. Put your hands up. Whichever one makes an L, that's left. Go that way. We got fins, man. Oh, you're right.
Nå ja, sandt
This
nok.
is why your mom doesn't love you both.
No fair!
What? Who's that?
Nej.
Run!
Nej, kom nu. Det var ikke så godt.
What the flip are you doing in
What
here?
the Ja, løb. Haha. Sådan der. Lampe. Der hedder Kai. Yay, det brænder det. Og nu kommer den her røg ud, fordi det brænder. Nå, kun sådan 6-7 minutter tilbage lige nu.
Sorry, kid. You've seen too much.
Nej.
Alright, time to blow this out of proportion. Ugh, I'll work on it.
Ricky. Nej, Ricky, hvis du rammer Barry. Nej, hvad hedder han? Billy. Hvis jeg ikke kommer i nærheden af Billy. Ricky, jeg hader det, hvis den kommer i nærheden af Billy. Nej, hvis den kommer i nærheden af Billy. Nej, ikke høre ikke nej, Ricky, du har lavest IQ i Danmark. Og du bor ikke engang i Danmark, så det er perfekt. Højst IQ i Tuneville. Nej. Ja. Nej. Ikke i nærheden af Billy.
This place is gonna... Hurry up, Billy, we need to go!
Nej, ikke i nærheden af Billy. Nej.
There's
No.
no time, Billy, come on!
Jeg er ude af vinduet. Nej! Nej! Ricky, dit monster. Nej!
Woohoo! What an adventure! That was so cool! We jumped out
Nej,
of the
nej.
Billy,
Nej! Den teori var sand! Den teori var sand.
Stay right there!
Den teori var sand.
No, we just...
Dit svin, Ricky.
I'll go find water. Don't leave me here! Ricky!
Nej.
Don't leave me here!
Nej, lad være, Ricky! Ricky!
I'll be back, I promise!
Ricky, dit første satan, Ricky. Ja, det blev meget hurtigt mørkt, det der. Mørkere end jeg troede, det ville. Fuck dig, Ricky.
I'm so sorry.
Hey! I said stop! Get back here!
Nej.
Oh hell, Billy.
Nej. For satan. What the? Han blev godt ked af, at han var død ham der. Nej. Det er lige nogle vinger, det der. Men nej.
Breaking news. Tonight, an explosion at Lucky's Plushies factory, exposing a front for a massive amount of cotton candy.
Okay.
3 subjects were found severely burned and declared dead at the scene. Dolph Dolphin, and Billy Beaver, all 3 are suspected to have had a part in the cotton candy trade.
I had no idea about all of this downright terrible activity. And I am ashamed
din
that
skyld,
someone
Billy er
is
død.
using my...
Det er din skyld, at Billy er død.
Business for something so dirty. I am launching a full internal investigation and will
Nej.
not rest until I have tracked the problem to its source. That is my promise to you, Toonville.
Authorities are
True Fox, det er Toby Fox reference.
declaring a state of town-wide emergency as they track down a mysterious fourth
No.
subject that was seen fleeing the scene. We will keep you updated as time progresses.
Thanks for that, ground team. Another news earlier today, a body was found in
Nej.
the station. The body has since been identified as young Timmy Parrott, and it appears as though he passed away from...
Fuck, jeg var Ricky lige nu. Men du skulle ikke have dræbt ham, Ricky. Du skulle ikke have fået ham med. Han havde legit ikke hjulpet en skid i den der sag der. Hvis han ikke havde været med dig, hvis du bare havde taget den alene, så ville ingen være kommet til skade, Ricky. Ricky for satan. Han bliver hånd... Hvorfor er YouTube kan man reklame på det her tidspunkt?
Hold on. That's it?
What do you mean, that's it?
Well, that's the
Nå,
ending?
Dano!
Well, there's one more cool scene, I guess, but for the most part, yeah, it's supposed to be dramatic.
Dramatic? You killed your best friend! That's not dramatic, that's just depressing!
He wasn't my best friend. He was my only friend. That doesn't make it any better.
No, not at all.
Oh, whatever. You said you wanted my origin story. That's my origin story. Besides, I redeemed myself later. Kind of. Remember, this was like 6 years ago.
Well, yeah, but you had to end...
Du dræbte en af dine venner og siger det. Jeg er allerede blevet så træt af de her klassekammerater, der sådan ødelægger mine ting, der koster penge, og så bagefter siger, vi gider ikke betale for det, fordi det var sådan for et halvt år siden. Og så sidder jeg der, nej, det var 2 måneder siden, betal for det, lort, jeg har ødelagt. Og så lader de være med at betale til det, indtil det sådan 6-7 måneder siden, og så bruger de den undskyldning med, jamen det var for lang tid siden. Det gør det ikke noget bedre, men det her, det er noget helt andet niveau. Det her, det er at slå folk ihjel. Ricky, det var ikke okay.
Episode 1 like that? I mean, come on, tell me it gets better.
I mean, it gets a lot darker at spots, but that just makes the happy parts even better, okay? Most of the season is about me getting a found family, learning acceptance, maybe getting a little morally corrupt, yada yada.
Rest of the season, yeah, right. Like we're gonna get to make any more episodes with an ending like that.
Oh, yeah, good point. Hey, you! Yeah, you! Do you want to see more episodes of Toon Turf?
Yeah!
Way too infomercially. Well, you can support us by buying from the Riggy merch
Yeah,
store.
yeah, yeah!
Riggy.shop.
Riggy, no, not now.
Look at all the cool clothes, the stickers,
yeah.
and the plushies. Even Billy got one. So your choices are either murderer, or dead guy. Come on, who doesn't want a plushie of a dead guy?
Yeah. Du spoilede, han var morder, ham der. Jamen, på den anden side, han var... Alle ved godt, han er ond.
Please, just get it over with.
So if you want to see more episodes of Toon Turf, visit the merch store and give me money. I mean, give us money. I blew most of the budget
Jeg kunne bedre lide Ricky dengang.
for the pilot, renting out this movie theater so we could watch it. So we definitely need the funding.
Like you greedy little...
Yeah, Barry, roll the credit scene. And you, buy the merch.
Ja, okay. To be continued. Jeg kan ikke vente. Jeg synes, hvis det kommer til at tage 3 år mere til her, eller 2 år, jeg tror det var 2 år, jeg bliver sur. Men ved du hvad, det er fint, det var det hele værd.
Why wasn't I thinking? Now everything's gonna...
Sir, we let the police know that you've chosen to withhold the security footage from the plushie factory. But Chief Gruff says he's gonna need a valid excuse. What should we tell him?
Oh, he wants an excuse, huh?
Jeg vidste det.
Well, tell him the truth.
Fanden er født. Ja, det er faktisk for det reference, det der.
Understood. Although, what are we gonna do about the kid?
Exactly what we've been doing. You guys just keep watching. I have a feeling he's only gonna get worse.
Hahaha. Nå, ja. Spil Frank Stew. Nej, ved du hvad, vi skal ikke se på underteksterne. Det var fucking godt, det her. Ved du altså, gå ind og se den her video selv. This video cannot be used to train AI in any form. Det er perfekt. Nej, det ved vi godt. Except Ricky, but he deserved it. Det var så godt det her. Nej, jeg tror jeg er nødt til at stoppe den her video nu. Den blev rimelig lang. Vi ses. Hej hej.